If you know you gonna dine and ditch, don't park your car in front of the restaurant, you dumbass. Park your car around the corner or walk to the restaurant. Walked all in like, yeah, I want to get that, them wings and the fries and Diet Coke. Sit your ass down. Probably ate for 15 minutes. Probably got up. That was a good meal. I'm not paying. Peace out, suckers. One of the employees at Buffalo Wild Wings called the police. They gave a description of the dude, his license plate. So, you know what I'm saying, the police pulled up behind him, police got out, it was like, yo, just go back to the restaurant, pay your bill, it's all good. He said, hell no, earthed off, like he was an extra in Fast and the Furious 7. Little did this dumbass know, they already had your license plate and your license number, all that. They just met him at his crib later. They met him at his crib. By the time he got at the house and pulled up, they was waiting on his ass. And all he had to say is, I'm broke right now. Can y'all take food stamps? The dude 35, so you too damn old to be down in the ditch. Too damn old to be down in the ditching. You too damn old to be going to jail over something this trivial. You gonna go to jail over some wings. Everybody gonna tell their stories. Why'd you here? 'Cause I killed my wife. Cold blood, homie. I'm here because I was on a high-speed chase with the police, homie. They started busting at me. Guess what, nigga? I started busting back. Nigga, I shot a cop right in the shoulder, nigga. Knocked his shoulder blade off, homie. Why you here for? I ain't paid my tab at Buffalo Wild Wings. And I tried to get away from the police. They found me. Homeless people down the ditch all the time. Cause they homeless. They ain't got no damn money. They hungry. Now this dude had a car and you can afford gas money to get to the place. You can afford $16, dude. If you can't afford the meal, just don't go in the damn place.